Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore EV high voltage system faults using Vida Dice scanning, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your vehicle's high voltage system through the Vida Dice tool. Connect the Vida Dice device to your vehicle's OBD2 port. Ensure that your computer is connected to the Vida Dice via USB. Power up your vehicle but keep the engine off. Launch the Vida software on your computer. Select the appropriate vehicle model and year from the menu. Navigate to the diagnostic section of the software. Initiate a system scan to identify any high voltage system faults. Review the list of detected fault codes related to the high voltage system. Take note of the specific fault codes and their descriptions for further analysis. Consult the Vida troubleshooting guide for each fault code. Follow the recommended procedures to address each fault. Clear the fault codes once the necessary repairs are completed. Rerun the system scan to ensure that all fault codes have been cleared. Conduct a visual inspection of the high voltage components if necessary. Verify the integrity of the high voltage connectors and wiring. Perform any additional tests as recommended by the Vida guidelines. Document all findings and steps taken for future reference. Once confirmed that all systems are functioning correctly, power down the vehicle. Disconnect the Vida Dice from the OBD2 port. Shut down the Vida software on your computer. Store the Vida Dice in a safe location. Your high voltage system is now restored and ready for operation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.